Designing bespoke convolutional neural networks. What is bespoke neural network design? On what criteria do you custom-make networks for target hardware? I guess most people will be thinking about maximizing accuracy and minimizing latency. However, what if you are dealing with 10 different target platforms or even more? What if you are required to update your networks every month or every quarter? In terms of accuracy, latency, development time, and production cost, I'm going to talk about bespoke neural network design under such circumstances. You may wonder how we came up with such a network design. Let me first introduce our company, StradVision. StradVision is a software company headquartered in San Jose, California, and in Seoul, South Korea. We develop deep learning-based perception software for advanced driver assistance systems and autonomous vehicles. For example, object detection, lane detection, animal detection, blind spot detection, parking space detection, etc. We are currently supporting more than 14 different hardware platforms and working with OEMs and Tier 1s located in the United States, Germany, India, China, Japan, and South Korea. As our business grows, we have been facing resource and risk management challenges, and thus has been trying to mitigate those by devoting engineering efforts. For more detailed information about our company, please refer to the two links below.